Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be baking sugar cookies for the festive holidays. Sit back, relax, and let me show you how I bake my sugar cookies. Okay, I'm going to be using 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of flour, 1 egg, my cutter, a pinch of salt, my vanilla extract. So you can use any flavor that you have or you want to use, and my mixing bowl. Okay, so I'll quickly put my butter inside my mixing bowl nicely like this. Then I go in for my sugar and pour the 1 cup of sugar on top of it. Then I whisk. So take note of the color now. As I'm whisking, the color will change. You're supposed to whisk till it gets fluffy and white and creamy. So yeah, let's get it. So make sure that you whisk till you can't notice the sugar. Let it mix up with the butter. As you can see, you hardly notice the sugar in it. So just keep whisking. So I'm adding my 1 egg, my salt, my vanilla extract, and then I'm whisking again. So I'm going to whisk till it mixes completely. I've gotten my creamy fluffy texture now, so I'm going to be adding my flour there. I'm going to be adding 2 cups of it. After adding my flour, I'm trying to use the ladle to mix it up so that when I use the hand mixer, it won't spill around. So yeah, that's why I'm using the ladle. So yeah, it looks amazing now. So I'm going to be putting it on top of my rubber. I'm putting it on top of this plastic so that I can store it in the fridge to chill it a bit. Yeah, so that it won't mess up my hand when I'm trying to cut them into the desired shape. So I'm putting it into this, and I'll be putting it into the freezer to chill. So I placed it into the freezer for 70 minutes and it got frozen, so I had to allow it to sit for a while. So the ice is gone from it now, so I'm using this bottle to roll it and flatten it a bit so that I'll be able to cut it into my desired shape. So I'm going to be using my cutter to give them that shape that I want. First of all, make sure you dip your cutter into your flour before you use it. Anytime you are using it, dip it before using it so that the pastry won't stick. So I've been able to use the cutter to give me that design or that shape that I want. So now I'm removing it and putting them into my baking pan. So I'm going to redo the remaining one. I'm going to roll it again and then use the cutter to give me that shape. So yeah, you don't have to throw this one away. I mean, it's a lot, so I'm redoing it. Guys, I got a lot of cookies. I'm even surprised. 2 baking pan full. Can you imagine? From just 2 cups of flour. Wow, this is amazing. Guys, see this. How cool is it? I've never seen this type of oven before. You can put your gas. You can put it on top of your gas or even your coal pot or anything of that sort. How cool is this, guys? It is amazing. So guys, my cookies is ready. I just took them from the oven, so I'm going to allow it to sit for a while so that it will cool Can you imagine? It looks so yummy. It smells good. The vanilla scent all over. Oh wow. Cookie is yummy, it's crispy, and it's so delicious. And I mean, the vanilla scent is just all over, guys. I have a lot of it, so I'm going to save it for my visitors. Anybody who visits me during the festive season will get this wonderful cookies. It's amazing, and it's a lot. It's a lot. I love it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you were able to learn something. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Share with your friends and your families. Comment down below how you bake your sugar cookies and what ingredients you add or you omit from it. See you in my next video. Bye.